Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today I'm gonna be doing an SP Rampage. So excited. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. For all of the services that I offer, including customized subliminals, courses, one-on-one coaching, and collective coaching, just go on Kaminski.com for the details and to book or enroll. Everything's on there. All right, let's get into the rampage. Your SP cannot get enough of you. Hold on, let's get down to business. Your SP cannot motherfucking get enough of you. See this view? This is exactly what they dream of every single night, because they want to take you here or to a beach or somewhere romantic. They're constantly trying to think of things to do to impress you and to make you happy. You know how some things give you energy, like coffee? Seeing you happy makes them happy. It energizes them. It makes them want to go on. It gives them a purpose. They're constantly thinking of ways of how to please you, how to make you happy, how to put a smile on your face, because that is what puts a smile on their face. Because your smile, your happiness, your energy, everything that you radiate within yourself, it's one of a kind, and they want to emit that happy, pure energy from you as much as possible. When someone maybe gets like a dopamine hit of going on Instagram or playing video games, they get dopamine when they make you happy. So when they pay for something at a restaurant, when they tell you a joke and you laugh really loud, when you text them back really fast, when you say, I miss you too, there's some sort of a chemical in their mind that makes them so happy to see you happy, because they know that you are one of the kind. They have had obviously interactions in the past with other people, and they can see that literally no one else is like you. Your smile is not the same as anyone else's. Your eyes are not the same as anyone else's. Your personality, your views, your skin, your hair, the way that you look at the world, the way that you look at them, the way that you dress, your personality, how you carry yourself, just your entire vibe is not something that you can duplicate. And it's not just that you're unique, it's that your uniqueness and who you are is something that everyone wants to be around. So of course he wants to be around that too. But unlike other people maybe that can see your amazingness and your positivity, how great you are, how beautiful you are on the surface, he really feels it on the inside too. He feels your soul, and he doesn't want anyone else but you, but your personality. What other people bring to the table, he doesn't want. He doesn't care, because it's nothing in comparison to you, your aura, everything about you. That's not something that they can explain. It's just there. Either you have it or you don't, and you have it. And specifically, you have it for them. You are exactly what they have been personally looking for, and they know that they're not going to find anyone else like you. So they are dreaming of taking you to locations like this. They want to take you out of your 9 to 5. They want to take you out of the place that you're living at. They want to provide for you. That is their purpose, and they don't care about anything else. Like, they don't want any kind of payment for it, whether it's energetic, financial, actions based. They just like seeing you happy. That is their currency, because they have never experienced such a high, such bliss, such euphoria than when they are with you. Because of course, look at you and how you talk, your eyes, everything about you, your outside appearance and everything that's on the inside. Not just personality, but as I keep saying again and again, it's not something that you can explain. It's just the energy that you bring, and your energy is pure. They feel your love. They need your love. Yeah, they do want to take you to Spain. They do want to take you to Australia. They do want to take you to all the best places in the world. They literally have a notebook of all of the things that you have said in conversation about where you want to go, or what you want to do, or what you want to buy, what you want to experience. And they want to fulfill that for you. They even low-key don't want you to do it, because they literally get off on like making you happy and being the provider. They just love being around your happiness. Like they're almost like jealous, but not like in a toxic way. They're almost like jealous when you're like, oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm here right now enjoying this amazing food, because they want to do that with you, because like your happiness is their drug. Like it literally fuels them. You know what I mean? Like, you know how like you watch a TV show and it gives you this endorphin hit and you want to watch it again, or you're on TikTok or you're working out or you're eating and it just gives you immense pleasure. Like nothing is like that for him. It doesn't even come near as you making them happy does. Like that is literally what they're addicted to, and they will go to great lengths to making sure you are happy over and over and over again, because they see that you are worth it. They can feel that the deep love that you have for them, and that deep love that you feel for them, they literally feel 1 million billion trillion infinite times more than you do. Your love for them is just a little piece of sand, and his love for you is like literally every single beach, all of the little sand rocks that exist on this planet is his love for you. He literally loves you unconditionally. He loves you no matter what. He doesn't just love you for your looks or what you do or your interesting conversation skills or how amazing and stylish you are and all of the amazing things that you have going for you. He sees also your potential for even more, and he just loves you for who you are. You know how, like, you know what unconditional is? It's like, you'll get this if you have a daughter or a son. It's like, no matter what they do, you will unconditionally love them. Like, they literally have that, but obviously a romantic way, but it's still unconditional, because they don't see you for what you do. They see you for who you are, not from your appearance, but just your soul. You are his soulmate, and he knows that. So he will go to great lengths to make sure that you're always happy, to make sure that he's always committed to you, always loyal to you, always together with you. He wants to live with you. He wants to have babies with you. He wants to die with you. He wants to show you off to everyone, because you're just that girl, period. So claim it now. He is obsessed with me. She is obsessed with me. They are obsessed with me. Insert name here is the most powerful one, in my opinion, is obsessed with me. Keep robotically affirming that and keep looping this rampage over and over again, because you know, motherfucker, you know that it is the truth right now. It's already done. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.